Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to another episode of Felix and Virginia. So, in our today's video, we are going to learn how to manage our money like the rich. So, there is two sides of money. One, the money coming into your way. Two, the money leaving your way expenses. So, in this video, we are going to dive deeper into how to manage our expenses. So if this video performs well, we will do a video on producing money, but I'm also just learning on that. So subscribe and turn your notification on to see that video in the future. So how can we manage our money? The first thing first, how can we manage our money is to have a budget, and we will dive deep into this video on what is a budget. They must have categories that you must have in the budget. So in this video we will discuss what is an emergency fund and how is it different from a sinking fund. And if you watch this video till the end, I will give you a demonstration on a budgeting template which I developed through another YouTube video by Coach Susan. So watch this video until the end, because I will give you that budgeting template which you can customize according to your needs. Also, we will discuss what are budgeting ratio which you can use in your budget to be able to categorize your needs, savings, wants, and loan repayment in a very manageable manner. So first thing first, what is a budget? A budget is an intention on how you intend to spend your money, and the most must have categories on how to we spend our money is needs, and we will discuss what is a need. And another category which is more important is wants. The other one is savings and loan repayment. So in this we can ask ourselves, what is a need? A need is something that you can't live without. That is food, shelter, and these days electricity. So those are some of the basic needs that you can't live without in this modern life. So a budget is just a list of expenses, wants, savings, and loan repayment. And having a budget is a good thing because it helps you predict whether this month you will have a deficit of money or surplus of money. So, and it's recommended to write your budget earlier before the next month start. For example, you can write a budget for next month at date 15 of this month. So that is a tip on how to manage your money. And the budget is not a complicated thing, it's just a list. So we have categories in the budgeting, but how can we know how much to give to needs, how much to give to wants, and how much to save? So for that purpose we have budgeting ratio. So budgeting ratio is a way to categorize your needs, wants, without sacrificing any category. So first thing first, we have a budgeting ratio which is more popular, and this is one which I use, is 50 30 20 rule. And what I mean by that is 50% of your income will go towards your needs, and 30% of your income will go to your wants, and 20% of your income will go to savings or loan repayment, whatever the case you use. But we also have another budgeting ratio, which is 70 30 10 rule. So 70% goes into your needs, 20% goes into your wants, and 10% goes into your savings. So this is assuming the 100% is total of your income. So that is how we can use a budgeting ratio. So, and also it's a good thing because if you use those categories, you will see which things you can afford this month and which things you can't afford. Maybe you can push to next month. So it's able to predict and give you this month we have a deficit or a surplus. So what is a budget? What are the functions of a budget? A budget tells us where did our money go without searching. Where did it really go? So because we have this list of budget, you will just go back at that moment in time and you will find at this month I spent this amount of money to this product. So another function of budget, it helps you to differentiate a need and a want. So and also in this video I did not define what is a want. A want is something you have desire but you can truly live without it. So we said also budget helps you to track your money and so that you know where did our money go. So I also have explained what is the 50-30-20 rule budgeting rule, and if you did not understand that mathematics, I will drop maybe a follow-up video. So if you did not understand that, you can drop a comment and I will do a follow-up video. So let's get into the part of the video which is more interesting. A walkthrough of a budgeting template which you can use for a whole year to track your income, expenses, wants, and savings and loan repayment. And also it can help you to track emergency fund, to track your food expenses. So let's get into the part of the demonstration of this video.